Kenya koro keto winjruok makare ahinya mag gik moko maromo 10 kaachiel kod piny mar Seychelles ma kaka biro neno kaka kind pinje ariyogo medo tudore e kinde mabiro. Mano en kaluwore kanyo to kod Ker Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta ma bende koro noloso e piny mar Seychelles e seche ma bende koro noromo kod ker mar piny onogono migosi Lolwe Tv. Moko kuom weche ma bende koro ne giloso e oriwo kanyo winjruok bende ni koro arita kwe mekgi obed yo makare, lokruok mar futo mar lwasi, ohala achiel kod bero ohala go mago mag pige mong'ere kaka blue economy. Kenyatta opoyo ahinya ondamo makamano ma bende biro miyo gidhi nyime seche go bende koro ker Wavel bende nopuoyo piny Kenya kuom tudruok makamano.
Today, the President and I had fruitful discussions that centered on a number of matters of mutual interest to our two countries and citizens, and which I believe will go a long, long way to solidifying the bilateral relations that Kenya and Seychelles enjoy. Our discussions have revolved around many aspects, key of which are trade between Kenya and the Seychelles, our diplomatic cooperation, tourism, blue economy, maritime affairs, especially the re-establishment of sea routes and links between our two countries. We've also had the opportunity to engage ourselves on matters climate change, amongst many other things. We've had the opportunity to resolve that we need to further cooperate on matters peace and security, especially with regard to maritime security. So, ladies and gentlemen, we all know that Seychelles is a leading champion of the blue economy, and we have in that regard agreed to strengthen our collaboration in protecting, but also in ensuring sustainable utilization of our ocean resources for the benefit of our two nations and our two peoples.
First of all, we reminded ourselves of the bonds of history and personal friendship that unite our two peoples. Seychellois and Kenyans have known each other like forever. We reaffirmed the long-standing, multifaceted partnership between Seychelles and Kenya. Kenya and Seychelles had substantial bilateral cooperation in fields such as education, health, trade, agriculture, civil aviation, as well as strong people-to-people ties even before the establishment